guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know me. We gonna get right into this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a transparent PNG background inside the Fonto app. If you don't know what the Fonto app, it is a great app to use if you want to make any templates such as business cards or thank you card templates, YouTube channel art, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails, as well if you want to make a custom image for like boxes. This would be a great app to use. Including the Fonto app that we're going to be using today, we're also going to be using the iMovie app as well as the Photos app. So the first you're going to do is just click on the Fonto app. Once you click on the Fonto app, I'm going to show you an example of what our goal is, and it is to get a PNG background. What you're going to do is go ahead and click on the camera, click on plain images, and you're going to get multiple images. Just click on the black square. Then you're going to go ahead and click on color. You're going to see alpha. Scroll alpha all the way down to 0, and that's that white bar. Then you're going to go ahead and click on apply. After apply, share and use. Now you got that PNG format that I have just showed you. What we're going to do now is go ahead and add your text. This is the text that's going to be on your image overlay of your video or your photo. You're going to basically just click on the image, click on add text. You're going to get a pop-up box. In this box is where you're going to be able to enter the text that you want to have. For the purpose of this video, I'm basically going to go ahead and add my YouTube name. Once you have added whatever text or just whatever name you want to go ahead and use, you're going to click on fonts, and you have so many fonts to choose from. I'm going to just choose on a random one just for this video purposes, but definitely choose one that fits you and what your needs are. Then once you have done that, go ahead and click on done. When you click on done, now you're going to see like a better text of how the font that you have chose looks. Then you also see that you can do a size, change the font again, change your text, as well as style it. And that's what we're going to do right now. Is click on style, and I'm basically going to go ahead and change the text color. The reason I'm changing it to red in this video is because the background that I already have, you're going to be able to see the red more. It's going to basically pop. But you can go ahead and style it whatever color you want, spacing, underline, blending, background, shadowing, outlining, all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a shadow. I'm going to make it kind of like a peach color. But when you're done, just click on done in the top right. Once you have decided whatever style you want to go ahead and have, you're basically done for your text. But now listen, because this is the most important part. This is how you save this image to get that invisible background, so to speak. You're going to see two options, save image and save image as PNG. You don't want to click on save image because you're going to get a white background, and that white background is going to show on your picture or video. So just make sure you click on save image as PNG. Once you go ahead and do that, you're done for this part. Now we're going to go ahead and move into the iMovie app. Once you click on the iMovie app, if you really don't have a pre-made project or movie, you can go ahead and create one by just clicking on the plus sign. But I already have one, so I'm just going to go ahead and edit the one that I already created. You can see that I have a marble background. This was a video, but I stopped the motion of the video, so now it's just basically like a plain image. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and add your text. You're going to click on the plus sign, click on the photos, and now click on whatever album your Fonto image has been saved in. Click on the three dots, click on picture in picture. Once you click on picture in picture, you can now see that your image has shown on top of your photo or video. Now what you're going to do, you can go ahead and stretch out that text or however long you want to play on your video or show in your picture. And also when you click on it, you'll be able to zoom in and zoom out on how big you want that text to be. So all this now is really up to you and your customization. whenever you do want to make a change on how big or wherever you do want to place your text, just make sure you click on that text first. Click on the little arrows that looks like a cross and just move it wherever you like. So you can put that in the top, bottom, middle, corner, all of that. But that's pretty much it, you guys. And I hope this was very informative.